In this screen recording, we are going to be discussing a citation generator that is very easy to use, and you can use this when we are working on citing sources for our research, and it's EasyBib. EasyBib.com is super easy to use. You basically can cite any of the different source types here along the top. You would just click on which type you are trying to cite, and then there's easy little directions in the box for you, so it's very simple to use. We are going to use the MLA format for us in the elementary building, but just know as you get older you are probably going to switch over to APA, but MLA is a little bit easier for us in the elementary to use. So what I'm going to show you first is how to cite a website. So if I have already went to a site and I plan to use information from this site for my presentation or paper or whatever you're doing, you just need to get to the website, and in my example I'm just going to say that I'm doing a project for Curly Lambeau. I'm going to copy the web address or the website, so I'm going to Control C on my keyboard when I have this all highlighted in blue. Click back over to my EasyBib tab, make sure I'm on the website tab, and then in here it just says by entering its URL, but I can just paste my URL that I just copied, so Control V on your keyboard will paste that in there, and then I just click the orange Cite It button. Now, it brings in, it says, I found some information about this. We think that this may be a credible source down at the bottom, so that's kind of a nice little flag as well. And then I can say continue. And then in here, if I wanted to put the article title for this one, it is Curly Lambeau. So just giving a few more details in there that weren't presented in the actual site itself. And then it says, do you want to display the URL in your site? Yes, I do. And then it says what date you access the website, or that you're accessing the citation. You can change this. If I didn't access it today, I could change this to a different date. I'm going to leave that for now. And then at the bottom, there's an orange button that says Create Citation. So now you can see that I added the words Curly Lambeau, so it put in the title of my article here in quotations. It is from the website bio.com. It talks about who is the publisher of that website. I accessed it on the web on this date, and here is the URL for the site. So this is really easy to use. I can use this citation right here at the bottom. There's a copy and paste this citation. So if I click this button here, it's going to copy this citation for me. And now when I go over to my bibliography or works cited page, all I have to do is paste that on that page and it cites everything for me. So very simple, easy to use. Same thing, I'm just going to show you really quickly. If I wanted to find a book also on Curly Lambeau, I would say cite it, and it brings up some books in the list. Let's say this is the book that I have used, and I actually have used this book before. I would just say cite this, and again it has some other options for me to add in there, but I'm just going to go ahead and say create citation, and now right here it gives me the citation for the book on Curly Lambeau that I wanted to use, and again I can copy and paste. So really easy to use. Hope you use this to cite your sources in the future. Good luck.